teacher called daddy ngaw Nico. Oh shit, I gotta lift this shit.
This hat is fire. Hey, give it back. I'm bald. You want to embarrass me? Oh my god, what are you doing with glue? Please be careful. Ooh, glitter. Now that's something fresh. I like these colors. Is this all for me? It's so shiny. I feel like a sparkly unicorn. Best day ever. This hat is fire. Pick your squishy. I got a cookie. All right, now choose your marker.
Yo. Oh, somebody joined. Let me see what it is. It's Amelia, bro.
Daddy, it's Christmas. Look, it's magic. You ready? It's magic. No.
I was the game last night.
Huh?
And I left. I was the game yesterday when I left.
Yeah, we just play one and then the left.
I'm the Earth Defender. This is Earth Defender.
Yeah, I miss sniping with you, bro.
Oh, there?
Damn, bro. What are we using?
The LR or something?
Bro, run it back, guys.
They're on a squad, but they don't like people joining them. I tried to join, but cannot.
Please, look.
You're right back.
That's me. I didn't know me. I
don't know what happened, man. I invited him, like, I sent him 10 invite already.
What sniper gun are you using?
LR and what's the LW or something?
Me, I think I join you. Go
LW.
for IT.
AMR,
That
you
was
say?
for IT. No, she.
I'm using HDR
She
and
joined another
LR.
one.
Yeah, I use LR. And HDR.
Yeah, put some. I don't know why there's no camo on the HDR, bro. It looks fucked up. My shit is all locked like hell, man.
Alright.
I mean, they don't allow me to use it. I have it.
What's your HDR? Quick scope.
HDR?
He's over there.
Yes.
You say, let's do a HDR. What do you say?
Nah, it's just for your loadout.
Oh, my HDR attachment is barrel.
I'm sorry.
One barrel?
Wait, let me just go for it. Alright, the barrel is the third one. The reinforced barrel. And no, the optic is just a regular one on it.
I just removed that.
So you don't put optics on it. Yeah. And my under barrel is the second one, lightweight.
Yeah, got that one.
I skip magazine. I go to rear grip. I'm using commando grip. Commando grip. In stock, I'm using the first one.
Right.
The light stock. Then the fire modes, I use the bottom one, the 108 millimeter over pressure. But you can use rapid fire. The rapid fire is still there. But I don't fuck with that. It's okay.
Stop this flash stuff. Yeah. Okay.
Did you see me bring my name back? I just want to bring my name back. Say. Did you see I bring my name back?
Oh, okay.
But different account.
What's your 750?
Wait. I think 4.00. Yeah, 4.00.
What?
Yeah, the 4. Yeah, look, that's how I move, bro.
Yeah,
Help you out.
1.20.
Yeah, sometimes I use 2.60.
Okay. Regular game.
Oh yeah, you can just use the. Oh yeah, I use that too. On Warzone, it's pretty nice.
What? Which one? 4?
4. But I usually go 2.60. But I love 4.00 guys, it never get me wrong. Ooh, nice shot.
I didn't even.
Oh, I just saw you, bro. How the fuck I missed that?
Around just watching.
Yeah, I see you standing there. That's why I'm laughing.
He's not baby. Look.
Oh, that's a quick HDR.
He changed. Yes, he did.
Yeah, the HDR is kind of like glitch when you hit your fire, you know? Why am I missing my shit? Wow. Never reload.
I'm thinking of this.
The way I reload is so damn slow. That's what I hate about this HDR shit. Motherfuckers gonna hold you back when you're loading.
I just gonna play one more.
Hmm?
I'm gonna play this. We're gonna watch a movie.
You're gonna watch a movie?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm smoking too.
Yeah, I just got on. I never even played yet.
Yeah. What time is it? Area.
I think it's freaking noon. Like, let me see the time. It's 9:01. 9 p.m.
Me and 3 p.m.
Hmm. Three p.m. Damn, still a lot of time.
Yeah. Yeah. I played Run It Back and play.
Right, yeah, Run It Back is fucking fun playing with him.
You should play it when you're
Yeah.
you should PC, yeah?
Who? Run It Back?
Let me try it again.
Yeah, I think you're using something, man.
All the aspects of, yeah, right? Played him and he said, I don't even know.
He say what?
I don't even know what's up. I'm like, oh, you got some, like,
He's so fast. Motherfucker's so fast. Motherfucker plays dirty, bro. Damn. Damn, why the fuck is so late to shot? I'm pretty good at the LR, but not HDR. Still trying to learn this shit. I saw that coming, bro. I'm trying to boost you.
I already used them. I love that.
I know you saw me, bro. I got buried on the ground, bro. Oh! That's squig as fuck. Behind you. Damn, I went behind you, bro.
I jumped back.
Mm-hmm. You just stand behind me.
I'm down.
Sorry. I was spinning. Did you see that? I jumped, make a 360 and shot you.
Oh shit.
I said this guy's step back is crazy. It's like a Steven. No, that's Iverson type shit. Oh! No, I was hungry for that. Cecilia, you left too long. That's what happened.
What?
You've been left us for too long.
Oh.
No, I just saw you. No time to react, bro. Damn. Well, watch out, another big. Damn. Maya is here. No time. Damn. That's nice, Sensei. That's hella nice. I see you, bro. Nice movement. Too late. Whoa, bro. Ain't no way that's a comeback. No. Come on, you got the optic, man. You gotta kill me, bro. Here I am. What the f- Mm. Mm. Yo, I got caught lacking, bro. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. No. Mmm. Mm. Mmm. What? No way. Mmm. Hmm? Hey! No way, bro. I saw you.
Yucky gotta die.
Feel that? They're about to break. Give them a nudge.
Yucky did it. There. No, you want to leave.
Nice game.
Yeah. Just playing. So. Gotta get off.
Alright, man. Yo, dead in. Dead in. What do you mean dead? Sleep? Man, you tripping, bro. What you talking about? It's on the chat. Hey, what? You want me to join GTA and 1v1 you? Alright, I'm joining you right now. I'm adding you too. So you don't get lost in the crowd, you know what I'm saying?